All of the experts are now lined up in the target of the special prosecutor. What is happening with the lead investigator, Michael Proctor?
See that the Karen Reed retrial looks completely different than the first trial? And do we think that Michael Proctor is going to testify this next time coming up?
Well, before we get to answer that question, we really need to know what's going to happen in these disciplinary hearings. There was one disciplinary hearing, and the media was kept out. So we don't know exactly what happened in that hearing. So it was continued to a second date, February 10th. Most logical people think that he will be, permanently terminated from the Massachusetts State Police. And he is, like it or not, folks, he's entitled to a vigorous defense, and there's a union that'll defend him, and he'll defend himself. Whether he testifies or not remains to be seen, as well as which party would call him. The real issue in this case right now is the special prosecutor, Hank Brennan, came in on the very first hearing. He told Judge Beverly Cannone that I am working to make this a more streamlined trial. And we all thought that meant, instead of having the Commonwealth putting on something like 67, 68 witnesses, that they would pare that down. No. Anybody that said that, including me, was wrong. He is really working on trying to get rid of all of the defense's expert witnesses one by one. He's trying to pick them off. But is that really what he's doing? Or is he just, in my view, doing the equivalent of conducting depositions of these people? In a civil case, we civil attorneys do depositions. You file a claim, then the insurance companies with unlimited funds, start deposing everybody in the world, your client, your client's family. What did they observe? What did they see? Everybody in the world. And why are they doing that? Not just to run up the bill, although that is part of the reason. Part of the reason is because they are now locking in the testimony of all of those people who may not have prepared themselves adequately for the actual trial, so that when they come to trial, now their testimony is locked in on paper under oath. And if they deviate from that at all, they are impeached, or at the very least cross-examined. So in my mind, that is what Mr. Brennan is doing in this case.